Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday and it's like 10:15, 10:20, and I'm not working today, which is good, but I am going to the dentist. I have to get a root canal. So I'm a little nervous. I'm sitting outside the office right now. I really don't want to go in, but I'm scared. I've never had anything done to my teeth. Like, never. So I'm really nervous. So, I'm just gonna see how this goes, and I will hopefully make it out of there alive. So now I'm on my way to Starbucks to get something to drink, because the dentist, or I don't even know, I guess he's a dentist. He said I could drink, I just can't eat for 2 hours, but I'm starting to get like a headache and I haven't eaten all morning. So I'm really, really hungry, so I need something to like fill my stomach. I was gonna go get a smoothie, but it's double star day at Starbucks. So I was like, you know, priorities. Like, I need double stars. So I'm just gonna get something to drink, probably like a venti frappuccino, something really filling with a lot of calories, so that I can take some ibuprofen, so that hopefully when the Novocaine wears off, I won't be in so much pain. Like, I don't know what to expect. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel when it wears off. I just messaged like my family in like our little group chat, and my mom was like, don't drink through a straw, and my brother's like, I had one like 6 years ago or something. No, he said he went through 6 days of pain after his root canal and is finally able to eat on the side of his mouth that he got it done. And I'm like, because first of all, like, when I hear the word root canal, like when people talk about it, they have like horror stories, like how it hurts so bad, the noise, which I will say the noise was kind of annoying, but it's like a mental thing. Like, you've just got to tell yourself, like, you're numb, you're not feeling it, you're hearing it, and yes, it's crazy loud and it's right by your ear, but you know, you're not feeling it, you're okay. So just like take a deep breath. So that, you know, after the first like initial like 10-15 seconds, I was like, all right, calm down, it's not that serious. But now I would just like to, I mean, hell, just want to put my like, I went to put my chapstick on, my whole mouth, my whole lip was like, I'm like, screw this. You know what, it'd be really funny if I tried to put makeup on my face right now. Oh my god. Like, I hate this, like this droopy. You ever get like a little bit of anxiety when somebody is coming up behind you and you're parked and you're like, are they gonna stop? Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop on time? Are your brakes good? Like, that's how I just felt with this truck that just pulled up behind me. They like whipped around this corner into the drive-thru and just slammed on their brakes. Like, don't hit me.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. How can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get a venti mocha frappuccino with no whipped cream?
Okay.
And a venti Java chip frappuccino also.
All right. Anything else?
No, thank you.
11:24. Thank you.
Thanks.
See it tonight on Fox 13. Live.
I'm sitting here like totally forgot to reload money onto my Starbucks app. I don't have enough on there for my drinks. Thank you. You too. So I'm finally headed out of the house to go do some grocery shopping and then just grab something quick to eat for dinner. Probably gonna get like a frozen pizza or something. I'm just stopping by Tropical Smoothie real quick so I can grab a smoothie and something to eat, because I haven't eaten yet and I'm pretty hungry. So I just didn't want to go grocery shopping on an empty stomach, because it's just not a good thing to do. So yeah, it is kind of sore. I took ibuprofen a few hours ago and it has helped a little bit, but like now, like that I can like feel when my teeth touch when I, you know, close my mouth. If I move a certain way, or I don't know, it's like any little thing that disrupts it is really freaking painful.
Right behind you. Oh my gosh. I are going. Mom, look. I can see you.
Yeah,
On the top of the mountain.
I see.
Top of the mountain, Mom.
Wow.
Whee! Now, Carter, I'm gonna help you go now, okay? You wanna go down this way? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna help you. No, Jada, I'm gonna go by myself. Are you sure you can do it? Okay. Jada, just need to practice. Hey, Logan!
Good job.
Thanks, Yummy Soda, Mom. Now again with this. Now, it's my turn. And I'll get out. I'll get out backwards. 'Cause I don't. Down low, up high, down low, up high, down low.
Hey guys, so I feel like this video is a little bit all over the place because I vlogged Tuesday, I think that was it, and then I actually didn't pick up the camera again until today. And as you saw, we just went to the park, and when we were at the park we saw that there was like a 14th annual hibiscus festival. So we just walked around and it was just like a bunch of like plant vendors, and there were some people like selling jewelry and soap, like your typical like, you know, small town, so yeah, just like your typical small town little like festival type thing. There's all like these little cute little things to buy. It's all like homemade. It was really cute. But yeah, today we're not going to do anything else. I'm actually kind of tired. I don't know why, but I'm tired. I have a little bit of a headache. Just gonna cook dinner later and then get the kids ready for bed. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So Jade and I are at CVS and we're picking out some face masks. I'm gonna get this one. So they have a penguin, a panda, tiger. Oh, that's a panda. What is this then?
Maybe a raccoon.
Oh yeah. And then a cat or a zebra. Which one?
Wait, which? That's a penguin?
Yeah.
I want to see.
You want that one?
Kitty.
Okay, Jade is going to get the cat. Because I don't think that I would do it like...
No, like if it was all set up for you ahead of time. You had the juices, everything was ready.
Yeah, like if I, like what she did, like how she ordered them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I would probably just do like what she did too and just end up like skipping whichever ones I really didn't like.
I know your recording's on.
It's alright. Huh? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Smile. No. So my food's almost done. My food's almost done. Okay guys, so we're going to end the video here. As always, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video.
Bye.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Why is this my life? Why? Oh my god. Everyone's looking at me.
Say
Ugh.
cheese.
No.
Say cheese, Charlie.
I hate this. I hate this. It's Monday morning. This is how my Monday's gonna start? Okay, awesome. Great.